Howdy y'all. Couple little updates coming up. I got a tripod I ordered, like 60 something inches tall. That can hold my phone, so you'll be able to get a lot better videos. Hopefully, be able to get them like hanging over the engine and stuff when I'm pulling stuff out. Should be a lot easier to do videos. And I got the hood off the drag car so far. That was it. And I had to cut the bolts off the hood because they're all star bits, and my star bits snapped off in the holes. They wouldn't take the bolts out, so I had to actually cut the heads of the bolts off to get the hood off. And now I'm going to go ahead and start just ripping everything out of here. And that's where we're at right now. Alright, I think I'm going to call it quits there for today. Pretty wore out and hurting pretty bad here, so put this around, show you what I got. AC and radiators out. The condenser, you know. Most of all the wires are disconnected, fuel's disconnected. Trans lines are disconnected. There is a lot of weird crap that I don't even... It's like part of the EGR. Weird. But yeah, that's where I'm at for today. Get back on it tomorrow. Hello y'all, back out here in the shop another day, and gonna try and get the front tires taken off the drag car and the axles pulled, and I may have some parts, Mustang parts. I was gonna use a pickup truck, a rear end, but I can get the same rear end off a Mustang I got out back in my junkyard. This is scrap body. And and I may even be able to use those front end parts off that Mustang on here too in order to make my front end. So for right now we're going to get these tires pulled off and get the axles pulled, make it easier to pull these. Well, came into one little problem right now. I'll put this around and show you. Both the front ones have a lock nut on them. And there was no tool in this car for removing that lock nut. So I gotta maybe put a pair of channel locks on there, or grip pliers, or maybe a monkey wrench. See if I can break it loose. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with doing the other side, but at least you got to see me do that side. That was a real pain in the butt, but it'll make it easier doing the other side now. Whew. Out of breath, heart's pounding a little bit, back is killing me. I'm going to go ahead and take a break for right now anyways, so if my whole house and garage doesn't blow down, it's blowing outside so bad. The wind is absolutely horrible today. Had a big branch fall on top of my house a couple days ago. Broke off of a tree and fell down on my brand new roof. Wasn't very happy about that. But it doesn't seem to have damaged it, so. Alright, well I'll let y'all go for right now. Howdy y'all. Back out here in the garage another day. We're going to get this other tire off and the other axle off. And see if we got time still today to, depending on how I'm feeling, to go a little further and maybe get this engine hooked up to the hoist and get it out of here. We'll see. Alright, I did exactly what I said I was going to do. I went ahead and put the tire back on here and used the breaker bar and broke it loose. Got it off. And now I'm taking this tire back off and to finish pulling this axle. Alright, the axle's out, so now I'm here looking at transmission mounts. Are actually down here, fairly easy to get to. I'm going to pull the engine and trans out together at the same time. Here, I'll show you this. Alright, right there is part of the trans mount. Take those two bottom bolts off. And from this side, that will release the transmission. Because I don't see any rear transmission mount back there. Of course, I could be wrong, but it normally is, but I didn't see one. Go around to the other side, look for a front trans mount or a front engine mount. We already took this side one off. So, oh yeah, there is. Not a normal one, not one I'm familiar with. That's a weird looking front engine mount. Wow. Somebody got creative. Doesn't look too hard to pull off though, so I think we should be golden. Now, then again, we'll find out. All right. All right, I took that mount off down there. And it's actually pretty jingly. Get crap out of the way so you can see it. Then I just found another small mount. Right back in there. I got that mount off, and then the engine slid down on top of the bracket. Oop. I think I'm focusing on the wrong crap. There. So the engine is slightly loose now. The only thing I really got to worry about is more wires and exhaust, I think. So I guess we're about to find out. Alright, well, apparently it's recording, so still trying to figure out this whole Bluetooth thing that's now gone. Well, oh there it is, that's it. Alright, anyways, get that out of the way. I found another engine mount in front. So there was another one set up there. 2 transmission lines, and what else was it? A plug-in. I don't even know if I needed to remove any of that or not. But I'm not seeing anything else holding this engine in. So technically I should be able to lift it. It should come out. So we're going to find out if it's going to move. Or pick up the whole car and knock the body off. I don't know. Oh, it's going to engine move. Gotta be a good thing. Safety glasses off so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, look around here. See what makes those be holding. You may have to lower it back down and move it more, move the hook more this direction so I can get down here more. Put like a screwdriver through there to hold it in spot. Because he's trying to pull the engine backwards instead of lifting it back. There, it should be loose enough to get another body to do it. Still seems like something's catching back in this corner. Which is like impossible to see back in there. What could it possibly be? Not much room. Sideways engines. And then the butts. These wires and wire harnesses. Oh well. Right here's a couple of lines. Those are either those lines. I guess those will have to come off right here. That would probably help it. Exhaust. I want to see what should be hitting over there though. That I don't know. I know I got the whole master building thing going. This is a little bit in the butt. That's weird. slid back this way, so find a different spot to hook that up. But we'll get her. Alright guys, this is going to be my outro or whatever you call it there. I'm going to call it quits for tonight. I am whooped between getting that axle out and yeah, kind of what did it for me. The up and down. Alright, well y'all have a good one, and I'm going to be trying to post videos every Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night. That's what I'm going to be trying to do. So if it works out right, that's what I'll be doing.